Dude, that's like a 5-pound bass right there.
Didn't even have time to turn the GoPro on for his fishing show today. So I'll get
What?
this on my phone.
Ew!
That is a big fish.
Look what's in its mouth.
What we got? Just
It's another worm.
That's another worm. Let's get that out of there. Get the long pliers.
Dude, that's like 4 pounds. Dude, this is a big one. So do I. Oh my god, dude, look at the run this thing. Wow! It is! Oh my Jesus. Woo! Come on. Come on. Let's go. Dad! Dude, look at this thing. It's a tank. Nice. Hey, you got the pliers?
We come over here. I've always had luck in this little corner here under these trees especially. Gonna change it up. Nice. That was awesome. Throw it under there. Hopefully I'm getting this. You should see the should see it just dive any second here in this shade. You know the bass like that little pumpkin spice crawdad I threw in there. This is the only way I can educate my friend Brian on fishing, and he's getting it. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. You want it? Take it. It's all yours. Take it. Got him. All right, so that's how it's done here, Brian. All right. Oh, he's a good one. Oh, he's a good one. He is a good one. All right, let's get him up here. Atta boy. Come here now. All right, so this is today on Tony's fishing challenge. Oh, bad boy swallowed that damn hook. I need a medic. Help me out, brother. All right, so we're gonna try to save this bad boy here, Coach Brian. Serves me right for. Don't squeeze, dummy. Gonna make me drop you here. Nick, you got the pliers, bud? Stop it. Got it right through his tongue. Come on. Oh, I'm pissing myself off now. Well, that's not going to help. Got him. I'm going to hook you again, buddy. There you go. Got you. All right. Good job with the medic there. Ah, there you go. That's number one.